What is continuity income? Hey, would you like to be earning $1,000 a month, 10,000, 50,000 a month and not have to do any work? That sounds crazy, right? That doesn't sound possible, but it is possible. And I'm going to show you in this video how with courses and continuity that you can make an unlimited amount of money every single month and really not have to do much work. And we're starting right now. Hey, I'm JR Fisher. Welcome to my channel. I really appreciate you being here. I've been selling online since 2009. I've sold millions of dollars of both digital and physical products, and on this channel I just want to teach you how to start, run, and grow your online business so you can enjoy the freedom that I have for many years now. In this particular video I'm going to be talking about continuity income. It's something I didn't know anything about when I first started out, and now it's like my favorite love child. I just love it. I love continuity income. It is awesome. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do so. Big button down there, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, the notification bell. If you hit that, you become part of the VIP Fisher family and you'll get notified every single time I do a video. Okay, so let's get into this continuity thing and see how it works. So I've got a question for you. I want you to think about this. Which do you think is easier? Number one, selling a single thing over and over again to a whole bunch of different people, or number two, selling something once and the same person pays you over and over again? Well, obviously number two is the way to go, and that's basically what continuity is. Continuity, really simply put, it just means that the payments come to you on a continuous basis over and over again, and the most common way to do this is through a membership site. The best hands down place to build any type of membership site is Kartra. I will put a link in the description. You can go and watch a video on what Kartra does, how it works, but it's going to make your life so much easier. And if you're interested in Kartra, I do have an affiliate link there where you can actually get a trial for $1, so make sure you check that out. Now, it used to be entrepreneurs would sell stuff online like ebooks or single course, and they would just charge a flat fee for it, and that's great, but the thing is you're constantly looking for customers. If you start a continuity, a membership type thing, you're going to get a customer and they're going to just keep paying you every month, and I love that. I have people who pay me every single month, and that's pretty awesome to have that income. Okay, so let's do some basic math here. You could write an ebook and you could sell some other kind of info, whatever it is, but let's say you sell it for about $30. That'd be about the going rate. That's fine. So let's say you have some type of promotions going out there and you sell one a day, so that's 30 per month of your ebook or your piece of information, whatever it is you're selling. So that's going to be a revenue of $900 a month. That's not bad to start out with. $900 a month. Keep in mind, to keep this going, you're going to have to promote every single month, and you're going to have to constantly find new customers. What if you took that same information and you put it into a membership site? The cool thing is, if you have it in a membership site and you use something like Kartra, you can constantly update it and you can constantly add more information to it. So let's move over to continuity now. Let's say you charge $27 a month, just 27 bucks, and that same ebook or that same information you put into a membership site, and you sign up 20 people a month. Okay, not 30, but only 20 people a month. Now 20 people at $27 initially is $540 a month. Now that's far less than selling 30 at 30 bucks and making $900, and it seems like it's not as good of a deal. But wait a second, month two, if you sell 20 people more, you're now up to $1,080 of income in month two. But you see, that's going to happen every single month now in month three, if you sign up another 20 people, that's $1,620 a month. And keep in mind, you've made money in month one and month two already. Theoretically, if you did that every single month, you did it for 12 months out of the year, that's $6,480 per month that you're now going to be having come in the next year. In the next 24 months, that's a whopping $12,960 a month that you've got coming into you. Take that a little bit further. Imagine you not only had this one continuity that's making you 12 grand a month, but you had another one, and you had another one, and you had another one. Okay, so once you get a few of these going, it can amount to a lot of money every single month that you've put some work into, sure, to make the course, to do it, you worked hard, you did all that, but each month thereafter you don't have to anymore. You just have the money coming in real life. Some people cancel. some people cancel, but here's the operative word: some people don't. Some people stay there 3 months or 6 months or a year. Some people never ever cancel. Can you imagine? Can you imagine how much you could amass? Now every month you want to put your efforts into selling that course and developing more courses and more courses and more courses. Now believe it or not, there's people out there that have over 100 courses, 200 courses. Imagine what that does to that $27 number there. And maybe you can charge more than $27. Maybe you can charge $47 or $97 a month. Keep in mind, the more you charge, your retention rate's going to go down a little bit, but the point is it's continuity, and it's so great because this money comes in every month and you can build on top of that. Now I know some people out there are going to say, well, I'm not an info marketer and I don't have courses, I have a different kind of business. Well, almost any business can turn into continuity income. You know, maybe you send out, you know, shaving products every month, Dollar Shave Club, and you turn that into continuity. Maybe you're selling coffee, maybe you have a gym, you know, maybe you have a restaurant actually, and they can pay continuity and come there and eat twice a month. Think about all the possibilities for continuity income. The cool thing is there's going to be a portion of the people, you know, like a gym, you know, I'm a member of a gym, and the thing is there's a portion of those people who pay every single month that never use the gym. They're more like donators to the gym. Okay, they just don't use it, but they use it, they pay it every month because they go, well, it's $20, it's $30, I may go back at some point, I might as well keep paying it. So that gym gets that income and really doesn't have any wear and tear on their supplies, their products. They don't have to have any employees deal with those people. That income just comes in every single month. So this continuity thing can be applied to all kinds of different businesses. Maybe you're a consultant. You know, maybe you do consulting and you have a package that's $495 a month and they can use 2 or 3 hours of your consulting services. Maybe you're a web designer and maybe you maintain websites for people and you say, well, my, you know, maintenance for 2 hours a month is, you know, $199, or for 10 hours it's, you know, $1,500, and you can do it that way and you can have continuity income coming in that way. The point is, continuity income is probably the best business model that's out there now, and people are more accustomed to it now. There's so many different memberships. You know, there's food delivery monthly, there's makeup, there's, you know, hygiene products, there's, you know, pet foods, there's toys for your pets, there's just toys for your kids, there's diaper services. I mean, I could go on and on and on, but the point is continuity is so cool the way it's set up, and you have to do so much little work, especially if it's a course or something like that. Now if you're sending out products, obviously you got to send out those products, but it's nice to know in advance how much money's coming in, because so many businesses are set up on the model of, you know, we need to sell X number of widgets this month, and then next month we need to do it again. But if they have continuity set up, they know that, you know, they're going to have X number of dollars coming in minus whatever their cancellations are, and after a few months, after 6 months or a year, you pretty much know what your cancellations are. So if you can sell a little bit more than what the cancellation rate is, you're actually building your business, and you've got a solid income that comes in every single month. And not too many businesses think of it this way. They think of what they got to sell and what they got to do, but they don't think about setting up where people are just going to automatically pay them every month. Now our continuity is set up where it automatically bills their credit card every single month, so I don't even have to worry about that. And if the credit card doesn't go through, I have automated emails that go out that remind them, hey, your credit card didn't go through, please, you know, update that for us. Here's the link where you can update it. So it also has that ability right there too. Now all this is built on that platform I told you about called Kartra. I highly recommend Kartra because in that membership that you build in Kartra, if anything goes wrong or anything goes right, let's say they finish the first 6 modules, you can automate emails to go out to those people and encourage them to get on to the next module. You can send them certificates of completion. You can, once they go through the course, send them more emails about more courses you have. So it's all automated in there, and once you get all this set up, you can make more and more and more money. So I can't impress upon you enough. I know it took me a while to get on the bandwagon myself. I didn't do continuity, and I do a little bit for my food business right now. I'm not doing enough. I need to really work on that and offer more continuity there. Currently, at the time I'm filming this video, we're in the middle of a pandemic. and we sold a tremendous amount of food, so much so that our supply of food has run out, so we're waiting to get more supply. So now would not be a good time to do continuity with that company. However, the point is, on down the road I need to do that, because that will be that income coming in every single month. And no, most of the people won't take continuity, but some will, and that's the point. You just need some to start building your book of business. Now I know some of you out there have probably tried continuity and you've either failed or succeeded, or you're somewhere in between, and maybe you need a little bit of help, and I don't mind doing that. So in the comments below, what I'd like for you to do is put where you're at. What stage are you at? What are you having a problem with? Let me know that, so I can help answer your questions and help you out with your business. That's all this channel is about, really. Starting, running, and growing an online business. That's why we're here. We're here to help you out. And also, don't forget, I have a $97 course, and I put a link in my description to this video right here. It's right below. You can click on that link and you can learn. Click and learn. It's free training, doesn't cost you a thing. So make sure you click on that link and you get in there and you get that training, because it's 97 bucks and you don't have to pay it right now for a limited time. So make sure you do that. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my channel so far, you need to do so. How do you do that? There's a big subscribe button down there, and when you click on that button, you also need to add bell notifications. You got to turn on all notifications. You got to ring the bell, and when you do that, you will become part of the Fisher family, the VIP group that gets notified every single time I do one of these videos. I really appreciate you listening to this video, and if you got some value out of it, share it with a friend. Tell them about this channel. I would really appreciate it. We need more subscribers. I would love to have your friends and family subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for listening to this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.